Hello everyone, this is Bernice from the Nappy Mouse, and in today's video I want to show you how to make this tiny little mini, this is more like a bookmark planner, let's say. I use it a lot for my bookmark, or excuse me, for my planner to mark the pages that I need to quickly get to. A lot of people use this for their books or whatnot, their traveler's notebooks or whatnot, but yeah, we'll be making this over here, and quick and easy and fun to do, and it's a great way to use up a lot of your scraps. Not a lot of supplies is required for this particular project. So first thing that I want you to do is actually go through all your scraps. So this is one that I had. This is from Bo Bunny, and quite frankly I forgot the name of this. If I can find it, I will use it. I'm using a double dot that I had, and I think this is called Tuscan Sun. I'm not sure, but anyways, yeah, so I've had these beautiful papers and I didn't want to trash them. It's an older, like at least with 3 years older, but what I did was I cut them down to one inch across by 3 inches down. Okay, so yeah, let me just double check on my measurements, just make sure I'm giving you the correct ones. So yeah, it is 1 and really by 3.5, excuse me, 3.5. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. I will set this aside. Oh, I'm sorry, supplies needed. So what you're going to need is the 1 by 3.5 inches of your scrap paper. You'll need these colorful paper clips over here, any color depending on the color of your paper will work. I am actually using a 3/4 inch circle punch, and this is from Stampin' Up, but there are so many out there that's really great. But yeah, I'm using 3/4 inch circle punch that I'm cutting. Also my scrap paper, you'll need some twine. I'm using Knot and Bow twine. This is natural and silver, which I still carry this at the store. And then lastly, I have these bubble stickers here. This one is Hey Sugar Sugar from Illustrates Faith from Bella Boulevard. So yeah, really super cute and fun to do. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so let's set that aside. And let's see, since this is the double dot one that I will use, but we'll do this again, the same one here again. Okay, so I'm taking my my paper over here, and what I want to do first is fold it in half. So this is that 1 by, I believe, 1 3/4 of an, or excuse me, yes, 1 3/4 of an inch down. So wide as 1 inch, and the length, wait, the length is 1 inch, the height is 1 3/4 inch. Okay, next thing you'll do is take one of this colorful paper clip, and what you'll do is on the side that is that comes from the outside, that's going to be on the right side. Okay, go ahead and insert that through, and this one should be exact, and insert that through the middle here. Okay, then you'll take your glue. Sorry about that, you do need glue. I just prefer using liquid glue. I add a little bit of glue to the center here, and then I'll close that up to secure that. Okay, hold that for a second, and then get your scissors, and you will cut a little notch. So we're going to create like a little fishtail here. Cut that in the center, and there we go. All right, and then next we'll go ahead and from our scrap paper, and you can try other ones. Let's do, it's a pretty one right here. Oh, okay, so let's see, I've done the green one. Let's go ahead and do the pink one for Valentine. Okay, I put a little bit too much here, so hang on just a second. And then we're going to get our sticker. And what I like about this is that because it's acetate in the back, you can actually try and see which one will work best for this particular one, or the size that you want. I'm actually going to, that's a cute one, so let's go ahead and use that. I will put this down here. Oh, okay, let me see if I got it. I don't want it to be too too off. And what's great about this is that it is a bubble kind of sticker. It's a little puffy, but not too puffy where it distracts from the paper itself when you're closing it. And then lastly, sorry about that, I forgot about this. So I'm going to take my twine here. This is from Knot and Bow. This is natural and silver. What I've done to one end is I tied it off just to give it some interest and also for it not to fray. I'll go ahead and do the same thing to this guy. Let's trim this off. Yes, okay, so let's get that. And let's make this not even. And then I will take my double dot here, actually my dots here. This is the double one. The clear one that I'm using makes it a lot easier to stick. And let's get that, and where is my tweezers? Okay, I'm going to put it right underneath the heart here. Okay, and then get my bow, making sure it's how I want it to look. There we go. Put that right there, and yes, there we go, people. Alrighty, look at that. That took no time at all, and it really uses up a lot of your scraps. And get like a cute little tag. Go ahead and give it as a gift. You can add some candies to this, put it in a little box or a little bag or whatnot. But yeah, this is a nice, really cute gift. Okay, I should put that up more. But you understand. There we go. Just for you. Okay, there we go. Let me know if you like this, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.